Hey guys, Chris with Up North Airgunner here. Nice day outside here in Michigan. It's like low 80s. So yeah, I'm gonna get my target set up here and see if I can beat my current high score, or my current high score of 202. I see somebody else out there has got that beat. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Here we go. So here we go. We're gonna get a measurement. So this is gonna be a little bit more difficult since we're standing in long grass. So let's take it from. So we have a little bit of a high grass situation here. I was able to clear out some area there. Yeah, we're gonna use the Umarex Colt. So this is the John Wayne Duke 177 BB gun. It is a smooth bore. And yeah, let's see what we can do. Here we go. I'm actually probably more like 6 yards away. We'll call it 5.5. So for the record, I want everybody to notice the breeze out here. I am not in a controlled internal environment. I'm definitely outside, and I'm probably got a good 3, maybe even 3 to 5 mile, a little bit of a gusting wind here with 177 airgun darts. I'm definitely having to play the wind a little bit. Holding to the left probably by a good inch or so, maybe ½ inch or to an inch. All right, here we go. Oh, that's looking good. Let's go check it out. Oh, dude, look at that group. What do we got here? All right, look at that group. Yes, sir. All right, so that actually might have beat my high score. So we've got, let's see here, 20. There's 2 more here, 40. There's 60. And that right there, folks, is a beautiful 3-shot group right there in the triple 20. So let's see here, that is 180 points plus 60. That gives me 240. All right, let's make sure this is all legit. There it is. Okay, 240. All right, so that just beat my high score of 202.